Hey, I'm Julian with SNR Construction, and we're here currently at 825 Sherbrook, where we are working on a new office renovation. This used to be 2 spaces before, but we took out the demising wall and now making it into one larger office. We're going to frame up 5 new offices, a new open work area, a kitchenette, boardroom, and a new washroom. So we already completed framing all our interior walls with new steel studs. Our electrical inspections, mechanical inspections are complete, and as you can see behind me, they're starting to insulate and board all our new interior walls. Thank you for watching this progress update at 825 Sherbrook. Stay tuned for the next one.